Don't ask why I'm out here. Hello, I'm Ajahn Jyotipalo. Welcome to Sauntering into Silence. I'm not normally a storm chaser, but that's the fire, that's the smoke from White Rock Lake Fire, which was 10 miles away from Birken, which Birken is down here by the power lines down there. Roach Lake is right there. And while I'm up here, this is a Mount Bulman, which I've attempted to hike 2 or 3 times now. And so now I'm 0 for 3, 0 for 4. I'm not going to get any closer because of that fire. You know I love you so. Jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line. I drew a line for you. Oh, what a and it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And do you know, for you I'd leave myself dry. For you I'd bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do. I'm up here doing one of my favorite time lapse of the smoke. I probably won't get too much further. There is a road there's on this little hill here, I think just on the downhill side of it. I can't hear, I can't smell. This fire is probably still quite a ways away. I won't do anything more stupid than being out here already.